What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to IELTS General Smoke Testing in Python Software Engineering Concepts for interviews, also for development and also for exams. Today we are looking at smoke testing, which is also known as build verification testing, which is a critical first line of defense in Python application development. This preliminary testing technique verifies that most crucial functions of an application work properly before proceeding with more extensive testing. The name smoke testing originates from hardware testing, where powering up a circuit for the first time might literally produce a smoke if something is seriously wrong. In software development, it serves as an early warning system to catch major defects that could otherwise waste valuable testing resources. So we'll look further on how it works. So smoke testing, if it's effective, Python involves careful selection of test cases that cover the most critical aspects of your application, and they include starting the application and shutdown sequences, user authentication and login processes, database connections, and basic CRUD operations. So API endpoints and core data processing functionality are all aspects that are most critical to your application. So Python offers robust frameworks like PyTest, UniTest that simplify smoke test implementation, and these tests are internationally non-exhaustive but highly targeted to identify showstopper issues. So the best practices include automating smoke tests in CI/CD pipelines to run on every build, keeping tests focused on critical paths, and also maintaining low execution time, typically under 5 minutes.